Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Nikki Nogat, and this is me, Nikita Mehra, and you are on my channel, Nikki Nogat. Saying it again so that you remember, and do subscribe, guys. Like if you have clicked on the thumbnail and if you want to know more about NIFT, do subscribe. So I'm a student at NIFT Mumbai, and I have done my 3-year course in BFT, and 1 year is still left. And I have also created a lot of videos on my Instagram and as well as here for you guys. As we all know that NIFT round is going on, and you all are curious about like which course to take in BDES or if you want to take BFT. So this video is for you. In this video, I'll be gonna discussing about every other department which BDES offers with my personal experience. Like I have a minor subject in FC, which is fashion communication. So I'll be discussing about that. I'll be showing you my assignments as well. So this video is get ready with me. So I'm looking this pretty because I have did makeup. So if you wanna know my makeup thing, so you should, and also skincare. So because माई फोरहेड इज़ शाइनिंग, ठीक है. सो मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर लगाया तभी शाइन कर रहा है. सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगाया अभी बिकॉज आई बी शूटिंग इंडोर, सो नॉट गोना वेस्ट माई सनस्क्रीन, just a college girl thingy. So yeah, this video is for you, and I'll be getting ready in this video while I'll be discussing about each and every department. So yeah, please इस वीडियो में जाकर कुछ कमेंट मत करना कि मेकअप से पहले तो ऐसा था, मेकअप के बाद ऐसा हो गया, ठीक है. आई एम ओके विद माई ओन स्किन. So yeah, that is it, and yeah, go watch the video till the end because you never know which part of the video will be more beneficial for you. So let's get into the video. This video will be discussing about the difference between BDES and BFT, and also हम compare करेंगे सारे courses जो BDES offer करते हैं. Like is FD more better, is KD better, और TD सबसे better है इन सबसे, और या फिर AD भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा options provide करते हैं. So I was getting ready for my college and also for a shoot which is a collaboration reel which you'll be seeing in my Instagram lately. So उसके लिए भी मुझे ready होना है. So I'll be getting ready for that. So yeah, we'll see by getting ready with all the things which I use. It's gonna be a very beneficial video for each one of you. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So I just wash my face and I'll be applying this Plum Rice toner serum which I love. 3 pumps. So we'll be starting up. Like what does NIFT actually do, like for the students who are in 11th and 12th, because they were also asking me कि हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, you know, by do we need to get into NIFT or not. So for me the answer is if you have sufficient funds to, you know, support, तो आप निफ्ट में आ सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू आर अ वेरी क्रिएटिव पर्सन हु डोंट वांट टू डू लाइक बेसिक engineering or medical or some different courses, so definitely NIFT is for you. So by the way, this is a moisturizer from Simple, so I'm just trying it out, that's why I just ordered a small piece. So it's Simple's hydrating light moisturizer, and I was using a Dermaco one. I'll paste it over here since like last 2 years, so it's very good as well. So BFT and BDES is one thing, and to know about what is the difference between BFT and BDES. So BFT is a very technical based, like they'll teach you production, merchandising, and managing data analytics and stuff. But BDES offers you 5 to 6 different courses. So first one is FD, TD, which is fashion designing, textile designing, knitwear designing, accessory designing, and also fashion communication. So and leather design is not common in much of the campuses, but NIFT Mumbai. So yeah, I am a student at NIFT Mumbai. So NIFT Mumbai will be offering it in for few time. I recently visited NIFT Delhi as well, and my common merit rank was 80, and my category rank, I'm a general, so my category rank was around 41, which is again a very great rank. But then too I opted for Mumbai because Mumbai is always better for exposure. So yeah, that was my story, and I love BFT, like what I'm doing, but I'm here to tell you about BDES as well because I have a lot of friends in BDES, and also my minor subject is fashion communication, and fashion communication is like the future of everything, like all the PR kids, like how do you know, like you have to put a plum here and it should be blue and it should be having all these things, like how these ranges are same and how इनके advertisements goes to place, and if you go to a mall, so how does these products are displayed on the screen. So everything FC people do, ठीक है, from designing graphic t-shirts and illustrations. So FC is my favorite BDS department. If you are very good with graphics and if you want to make your career in graphics, so you should definitely go in fashion communication and also visual merchandising, which FC people are pro at. So it's like if you go to any mall or any brand store, so how the VM, the visual merchandising, is placed, like how the clothes are placed, how the wall is decorated. So this is all is under FC. Like how do you call your customers, like, because see, the window time of a customer is very less. Like if I'm walking through the mall, there are 10 stores, so your store should be like great and my attention catching कि मैं वहाँ से घुस जाऊँ अंदर. So I learned marketing as well. So in marketing, in NIFT only I learned marketing. So in marketing we say, like, if a customer is staring at your store from outside for more than 5 minutes, they're not gonna enter, and if they're gonna enter, they're not gonna give you any margin or profit from that, because there are two terms. One is high footfall, so that means that आपके store पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है, बट आपके स्टोर पे उतना प्रोडक्ट बिक भी रहा है कि नहीं बिक रहा. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ द काउंटर, लाइक काउंटर पे कितने प्रोडक्ट्स बिक रहे हैं या फिर नहीं बिक रहे. सो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगर आपका हाई फुटफॉल है तो आपकी बिक्री भी ज़्यादा हो. So to increase that, they do make interesting VMs. So this is the lip balm which I'm using. This is Nivea's Men, because I don't like to put color on my lip balm, because anyhow I'm gonna put later, you'll be knowing. So this is the Instagram thing. So I've made this, and okay, if you got lucky, I have more to show it to you. So I made these two things again. So these are the ads which I was supposed to make in Laneige. So for example, I was selling these products. So for Instagram campaigns, I have to do this, and also for the personal review kits which influencers get. अभी हम वो बनाना सीख रहे हैं. Blog writing, magazine design, front page magazine editing is very important in FC. So this is all about FC. And now moving on to FD, which is not my that favorite, because in FD, either if you have a plan of opening your brand, or if you have a very good contacts, and or if you are ready to build contacts with the couture and something like that, like biggest designers in Mumbai or Delhi, and so you have a good opportunity, or else you don't have, because FD requires a lot of funds again. Not one of my seniors, like many seniors I modeled for, they literally spended 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees in the graduation project. I was talking about FD. So FD has again 2 to 3 specializations. So one is their styling, another one is couture. So if you want to be a fashion designer, if you want to open your own brand, or if you want to work under different designers, that's also completely fine with FD. So this is what I will tell about FD, and like how illustrations आपको बनाना सिखाते हैं, आपको stitching बनाना सिखाते हैं, what every other thing in FD. बहुत काम होता है FD में, बहुत pressure होता है. There is no room for excuses, because I have been like, one of my roommates was in FD and she used to work whole day night, and तब जाके काम ख़त्म होता था. And obviously if you once you enter the college, the deadline is the deadline. assignments बहुत मिलते हैं, so ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लोग बच जाओगे assignment से. So there are a lot of assignments which you need to do. So FD also comprises of a lot of learning diaries which you need to make for yourself and for the faculties, like for the assignments as well. And it also comes with a number of internships which you have to do. Like I know some of my बैचमेट्स विच आर इन FD, एंड जिन लोगों ने बहुत कॉन्टैक्ट्स बिल्ड किए हैं इन साल में, और कुछ लोगों को मैं ऐसे भी जानती हूँ जिन लोगों ने कुछ भी कॉन्टैक्ट्स बिल्ड नहीं किए. सो इट्स अगेन अप टू यू. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो इन FD, ईदर यू शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर फंड्स कि हाँ आपको बड़े होकर ब्रांड खोलना है तो मेरे पास इतना पैसा है कि मैं लगा सकूँ, एंड दूसरा, या फिर आपको होना चाहिए कि आई एम रेडी टू मेक कॉन्टैक्ट्स बाय हुक और क्रुक. सो इफ़ यू आर पर्सन जिसको नंबर ऑफ इंटर्नशिप्स करनी है, go and FD me. Now moving on to KD. So KD is one of my favorite BDS courses, because KD is the future, guys. KD is the future of the textile thing, because loungewear, sportswear, athleisure, everything is made of knitwears. And also अब तो भाई शर्ट्स जो मैंने पहनी है ये भी knitwear में बनने लगी है. So amazing, like the whole industry is adapting towards knitwears. And yeah, I was just concealing some of the parts of my face which I feel I need to conceal. So this is the concealer which I'm using. So KD में it's like you can manage it if you don't have that funds, because funds मैं इसलिए बात कर रही हूँ because except for the college fees there is a lot of amount that you need to pay to maintain or to sustain in NIF, because फैब्रिक ख़रीदना पड़ता है, बाहर से सिलाई कभी कभार करवानी पड़ती है, एंड FD में एम्ब्रॉयडरी सीखनी पड़ती है. सो एम्ब्रॉयडरी थ्रेड्स आर एक्सपेंसिव एंड ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच कम्स विद इट. FC में भी थोड़ा हो जाता है बट इट्स ओके, एक्चुअली वेरी हाई. सो लाइक इफ़ आई काउंट माइन, सो my 1 semester fees is 1,75,000 and hostel is 1,40,000 per year, but semester fees is 1,75,000. So I'm using this Wet n Wild liner. They also offer home textiles wala thing, so you can make accessories for home as well. So I attended one of the juries of my friends, so they were making cushion covers, they were making curtains, so they were making rugs. So that's the perception which I really love about KD. Like it's so versatile. You can either make handbags, crochet bags. So if you take KD, necessarily you won't go into textile, but you can you won't necessarily get into apparel, but you can go in any of the fields. You can go in bags, you can go in curtains and home furnishing things, and also you can go with normal apparel. Moving on to TD, so textile design is again a very nice department if you want to learn more about chemicals, weaving and other things. So जहाँ पे कपड़ा बनता है आपको उसका नॉलेज वहाँ पे पढ़ाया जाता है. You guys have weaving, you guys have printing, you guys have dyeing. सो ये तीन चीज़ें हैं जो TD के लिए मस्ट हैं. लाइक TD में सब सिखाया जाता है. वीविंग, प्रिंटिंग एंड डाइंग इज़ द कोर ऑफ TD. लाइक आई वेंट टू फॉर एन इंटर्नशिप एट वर्धमान टेक्सटाइल्स. लाइक यू कैन गो एंड सर्च इट. इट्स इंडियाज़ नंबर 1 producing fabric producing factory, and in my second year I did that internship, and that was crazy guys, that was crazy. बिकॉज वो लोग इतना सारा फैब्रिक बनाते हैं एंड उनका वर्किंग सिस्टम, देयर यूनिट्स इतना बड़ा है कि भाई ख़त्म ही नहीं होता. इट्स लाइक दैट बिग कि मेरे एंड में पैर दर्द हो जाते थे जाते जाते. एंड वो इंटर्नशिप वॉज रियली ग्रेट. सो आपको वीविंग सिखाई जाती है, आपको प्रिंट सिखाए जाते हैं, डाइज कैसे बनाते हैं. लाइक ऑल द प्रिंटिंग टेक्निक्स एंड द डाइंग टेक्निक्स आर taught to you. So for the blush, I don't use blush. I just use one of my lipstick shades. So it depends on my mood. So I like to keep it thoda red tone. I don't know. It makes you look good. And for the lips, will not show up in the sun. So TD में like for example my current roommate is in TD, so she told me that they are making specification sheets for the fabric. Like for example I am a company and I want to create a clothing, like I want to create this shirt, ठीक है. So now this shirt, as you know, it's not printed, but same design if I want to cost cut, like मेरी कंपनी ने बोला कि मुझे पैसा बचाना है but I still want to look like this fabric, तो मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं वीव की जगह इसमें प्रिंट इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूँगी. बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अगर कपड़ा वीव किया जाता है, यानी कि अगर अलग से वाइट थ्रेड्स लिए जाते हैं, ब्लू थ्रेड्स लिए जाते हैं, फिर कपड़ा बनाया जाता है, तो वो ऑब्वियसली एक्सपेंसिव पड़ता है रादर दैन जस्ट प्रिंटिंग इट. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी ऑल्सो लर्न इन BFT, लाइक हाउ टू कॉस्ट कट एनीथिंग. सो मैं इसमें ये यूज़ करूँगी, तो मैं फिर फैक्ट्री को बताऊँगी कि वो कैसे अचीव करा जा सकता है. एंड आई विल बी टेलिंग कि कॉटन है तो कॉटन में कौन सा डाई लगेगा जो कि छूटेगा नहीं. लाइक आपने भी अपने कुछ कपड़ों के साथ नोटिस किया होगा, आफ्टर 1 or 2 वॉश द कलर फेड्स आउट. सो यू ऑल्सो लर्न सर्टन टेस्ट मटीरियल्स और टेस्ट विच आर नेसेसरी दैट कि आपका फैब्रिक ब्लीड ना करे. So that is the thing which I love about TD, because TD and BFT is very much linked together, because वो भी वोवन्स के ऊपर काम करते हैं एंड हम भी वोवन्स के ऊपर ही काम कर रहे हैं. एंड तो आप सर्टन टेस्ट मेथड्स पढ़ते हैं जिससे आपका कपड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा रहे, आप वीविंग टेक्निक्स पढ़ते हैं, एंड आपको केडी में भी खुद से कपड़ा बनवाया जाता है, लाइक देयर आर लूम्स जिसमें आप कपड़ा बनाते हो, एंड टीडी को भी सेम है, दे हैव टू वीव देयर ओन मटीरियल. सो दैट इज़ अगेन अ वेरी नाइस थिंग अबाउट टीडी. सो आपको डाई कराया जाता है, सारे आपको प्रिंट्स कराए जाते हैं, ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग कराया जाता है, आपको टाई एंड डाई कराया जाता है. आई विल पुट द फोटोज ओवर हियर एज वेल. I think we are done. Yeah, we're done. We're talking about accessory design and leather design. So for leather design, you'll be needing leather. So you all know that leather is expensive, and it's not necessary that you get actual leather, but still you need to get something similar to that. So that again causes a lot of fund issues, because one of the person I met, she said that her father is in leather industry, so that's why she is sourcing all her leather from there. So it's easy for her, but it may not be easy for anybody else. Design you will be needing with a lot of things like tools. आपको खुद से हाथ से बनाना होता है, machines होती हैं अलग अलग. So leather design is a little bit complex, and If Mumbai doesn't even offer it abhi tak, so I don't actually know much about it. But yes, accessory design, few of my friends are there in accessory design, and they are creating wonderful pieces. Like if your family is into jewelry businesses, or if you want to put your hands into that industry, so definitely go for it, because nowadays it's like a trend. Like even if you just create a normal piece of wire and say wow, it's a statement piece, you just need to know how to sell your items which you have made, your collections. So many of the people have created wonderful pieces while working in accessory design. In accessories you can make shoes as well, you can make bags, you can make jewelries. So these are all the things which you need to know about accessory design and leather design. For my personal opinion, if you are a person who is still confused which department to take, because abhi counseling rounds honge, so I would say definitely go for FC and KD and TD. इसी में बहुत हाइप है. लाइक इवन इफ आई वेंट टू वर्धमान इंडस्ट्रीज, भाई वहाँ पे सारे के सारे ऑफिस में लोग टीडी के बैठे थे, फ्रॉम टीडी जोधपुर, फ्रॉम टीडी व्हाट इज़ दैट कांगड़ा, सब लोग टीडी के बैठे थे भाई वहाँ पे. जो उठा के देख लो टीडी का बैठा है, बिकॉज टीडी का डिमांड है, बिकॉज यू आर अ पर्सन जिसको डाइंग सिखाया गया है, जिसको प्रिंटिंग सिखाया गया है, जिसको वीविंग सिखाया गया है. व्हाट एल्स इज नीडेड, व्हाट एल्स इज लेफ्ट. So this is what I wanted to share about each and every department. And I am a girl with a poor eyesight, I can't see. Okay, so I'll put my chashma, and yes, it makes me look much more better and much more chic. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And also if you're a person जिसको BFT के बारे में जानना है, so for BFT I'll be making a whole separate video so that you can enjoy it. पूरा कोर्स का बताऊंगी क्योंकि मेरा है वो, ठीक है, दैट्स माई नीश. सो आई बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. आई बी शेयरिंग ऑल माई असाइनमेंट्स एंड ऑल्सो अबाउट FD. like just suggest it to me, like I will be creating a thing for FC, but if you guys request, I can make videos for FD, KD and every other department for you guys, so that you can get more information about that. Do suggest that into the comment sections. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And this is my hostel room in which I'm shooting, and I was getting ready. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, so whenever I post new content, you guys are the first to get notified. So yeah, bye bye, and thanks for watching, and do like and share my channel, and do subscribe guys. I got to know that you are not even subscribed to my channel. Very bad, very bad, very bad. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा भाई, सब्सक्राइब करो यार, ठीक है. सो बाय बाय. एंड ऑल्सो द लास्ट थिंग, द ग्लॉस, माई फेवरेट. So this is the gloss which was from Rene. Like I'll be using this from a long time. Transparent gloss है ये, ठीक है. बट ये ऐसा कैसे, इसका भी एक स्टोरी है. So I got a gloss from Dot & Key. I'll put a photo over here. अगर मेरे पास एडिटिंग का टाइम बचा तो. वो लीक हो गया और मेरा पूरा बैग ख़राब हो गया. सो देन मेरे पास इसके एम्प्टी कंटेनर्स 3 से 4 पड़े थे, बिकॉज मेरे को पता था कि किसी ना किसी दिन इसका काम ज़रूर आएगा. सो मैंने इसको इसके अंदर फिल कर दिया. सो इट लुक्स टू पिंक, but when you apply it, trust me, it looks so good, and its formula is also good. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye and thank